Hello and welcome once again to this particular channel. So in today's video we are going to go through the question 16 of the WAEC 2025 objective math question. So in this question we have that an interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? Option A is 6 sides, option B is 9 sides, option C is 12 sides, option D is 15 sides. So we are going to go through working through this particular problem and getting the solution for it out of the options. Okay, now to find the number of sides of a regular polygon given its interior angle, we have that the formula, let's say x is the angle we are given, x degrees. Now that the formula that relates it is actually equal to n minus 2 all multiplied by 180 degrees all over n. So x is the angle of the polygon and n is the number of sides of the polygon. So in this case, we have that x is equal to 150. So we have that 150 is going to be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 all over n. Okay, so if I actually expand through the numerator, I'm going to have it to be equal to 180 times n is going to be equal to 180n, then minus 2 times 180 is going to be equal to 360 all over n. If I take this n to the left hand side, I'm going to have that 150n is going to be equal to 180n 360. And then taking this 180n to the left hand side, I'm going to have that 150 minus 180n equal to negative 360. Sorry, 150n rather. So 150n minus 180n is going to be equal to negative 30n. That's going to be equal to negative 360. If I want to make n the formula subject, I divide by 1, divide by negative 30 rather, so negative 30 both sides. So negative is positive, 30 cancels 30. I'm going to have that n is going to be equal to negative also cancel. This 0 can cancel out. And then I have that 36 over 3 is going to be equal to 12. So therefore my n is equal to 12. So therefore the regular polygon that I have an angle as 150 degrees is actually 12 sides. So that is that for this question. So going by what we learned in this video now, here's a similar question for you. It says an interior angle of a regular polygon is 144 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Option A is 8 sides, option B is 10 sides, option C is 12 sides, option D is 15 sides. So solve this particular problem and give me the solution in the comments. If you also like this video, do help me by subscribing to this channel. Also help me share this video to your colleagues so they can also learn from this. Without much further ado, I'll leave you to eat that mass is eat. You have a nice day. Thank you.